I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install WineHQ in Fedora 44 Linux operating system. That's for. So let's open the terminal. Now we have to use this command. So let's minimize this. We have to use this command sudo dnf config manager add wine build 44. This is the version. Now let's paste this command. So this is there. Now press enter. Give the password. So this added. Thereafter, or the next is here. We need to use this command to install a stable version of the Wine HQ. Now let's paste this one. Press enter. So this here you can see updating and loading repository Fedora 44 updates winehq package. There you can see this is 100% done and this is now currently processing. Here installing winehq-stable and this dependencies wine-stable. Let's write there y press enter. So this you can see here this 100% that's done. Now this wine-stable is now currently processing. This here, total that's done, this done. Thereafter, important package, let's write there by press enter. The key was successfully imported. And now verifying the files. So this is currently doing installing this wine stable. And here you can see the total percentage. So this done 100%. Now this done. Thereafter, let's use the clear command. Now writing the wine minus minus version. So you can see Wine 11 is the latest version that I just installed. Now you can use this Wine to execute any exe file. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.